Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for ways to make some extra cash? Or maybe you're searching for a way to work from home and be your own boss. Whatever your reason, making money online has never been easier than it is today. With the rise of technology and the internet, there are countless opportunities available at your fingertips. In this video, we'll explore various methods on how to make money online so that you can start earning from the comfort of your own home. The first thing you need to consider before embarking on your online money-making journey is currency. If you're based in the United States and plan on working with clients or companies outside of the country, you'll need to be aware of conversion rates and other international payment considerations. One option for receiving payments from overseas clients is through PayPal, a popular digital wallet service that supports transactions in various currencies. You can also use TransferWise or Payoneer, which are both great alternatives to PayPal. It's important to keep in mind that different countries have their own rules and regulations when it comes to taxes and fees involved with international transactions. It's always a good idea to research these details beforehand so that there are no surprises down the road. It's worth noting that some methods of making money online may pay out in cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. While this form of payment can be volatile due to its fluctuating value, it could potentially lead to significant earnings if invested wisely. Making money online has become increasingly popular in recent years, with many people seeking alternative income streams. One of the most common ways to make money online is through job websites such as Indeed.com, which offer a variety of remote and freelance positions. Another way to make money online is by leveraging your skills and experience into creating a personal brand or website. By developing an appealing resume and portfolio, you can attract clients and customers who are willing to pay for your services. Starting your own business can also be a lucrative option for making money online. E-commerce platforms like Etsy or Shopify allow entrepreneurs to sell products directly to consumers without having physical storefronts. Affiliate marketing is another popular method of making money online. By promoting products on social media or through blog posts, individuals can earn commission on any resulting sales. In addition, participating in paid surveys or completing microtasks can provide supplemental income without requiring specialized skills or extensive time commitments. There are countless ways to make money online that cater to different interests and skill sets. With patience, persistence, and dedication, anyone can succeed in earning an income from home. Looking for a job online can be overwhelming. With so many options to choose from, it's hard to know where to start. Fortunately, there are several job websites that make the search process much easier. One of the most popular sites is Indeed.com. This website allows you to create a profile and upload your resume, making it easy for potential employers to find you. You can also set up job alerts based on your preferences, which will notify you when new opportunities arise. Another great option is LinkedIn. While this platform is primarily known as a networking site, it also has a robust job board with thousands of listings in various industries. By building connections on LinkedIn and engaging with industry leaders, you may even land a job through an informal referral. Other notable job websites include Glassdoor and ZipRecruiter. These platforms offer similar features like creating profiles and setting up alerts, but also provide additional resources such as company reviews and salary information. Ultimately, finding the right job website depends on your personal preferences and goals. It's important to do research and explore multiple options before committing to one site or applying for specific jobs online. If you're looking for a reliable job website to find legitimate work-from-home opportunities or part-time gigs, then you should check out Indeed.com. Their platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it easier for job seekers to browse through their vast database of jobs. One feature that sets Indeed.com apart from other job websites is the Resume Builder tool. You can create a professional-looking resume with ease using their templates and tools. Once your profile is complete, you can apply directly to jobs on the site without having to fill out lengthy applications repeatedly. Another great resource on Indeed.com are the forums where users share advice and tips about finding employment online. These discussions could be helpful in providing insights into what employers are looking for when hiring remote workers. Indeed offers an excellent service and has helped millions of people worldwide find employment opportunities they wouldn't have found otherwise. In today's digital world, having a well-crafted resume is more important than ever. Your resume serves as your introduction to potential employers and can ultimately determine whether you land the job or not. Firstly, it's important to tailor your resume for each specific job application. This means highlighting the skills and experiences that are most relevant to the position you're applying for. Secondly, be sure to include measurable achievements in your previous positions. Employers want to see concrete examples of how you have added value in past roles. Thirdly, don't underestimate the importance of formatting. Use bullet points and concise language to make your resume easy to read and visually appealing. Consider seeking feedback on your resume from trusted mentors or hiring professionals. They may be able to provide valuable insights on how you can improve your chances of landing an interview. Taking the time and effort to create a strong resume can pay off tremendously in securing opportunities for making money online through various jobs or freelance assignments. Creating a website is one of the most effective ways to make money online. With billions of people using the internet every day, having an online presence can help you reach out to potential customers and clients from all over the world. Starting a website doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. You can create a simple site using free platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. These sites offer user-friendly templates that require no coding skills. Once your site is up and running, you need to focus on creating quality content that's relevant and engaging for your target audience. This means writing blog posts, articles, or creating videos that provide value to your visitors. To monetize your website, you can use various strategies like affiliate marketing, advertising, or selling digital products such as ebooks or courses. But remember, it takes time and effort to build traffic and revenue with a website, so don't expect immediate results. Starting your own business can be a great way to make money online. It allows you to be your own boss and work on something that you are passionate about. However, it takes hard work, dedication, and persistence. To start your own online business, you need to identify a niche market that has potential customers who are willing to buy what you have to offer. Conduct market research and develop a solid business plan with clear goals and objectives. Once you have identified your target audience, start building your website or e-commerce store. Use search engine optimization, SEO, strategies such as keyword research, backlinking, and content marketing to attract traffic and improve rankings in search engines. Leverage social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn for promotion of the brand's products, services among targeted customer segments. In conclusion, starting an online business is not easy, but if done right, can lead to financial stability in the long run. With passion for entrepreneurship backed by strategy formulation skills and technical know-how, one can surely carve out a successful venture from scratch.